Hello everyone, magandang oras sa atin lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, na isi-share ko ito dahil sa kanyang napakagandang history guys, na paryang ito guys ng Japan, ang 10 yen coins. So ito yung kanyang history guys. The obverse of these coins depict the phoenix hall of Byodo in an Buddhist temple in Yoji, Kyoto Prefecture, with the kanji for Japan and 10 yen. The reverse shows the numeral 10 and the date of issue in kanji, surrounded by the B laurel leaves. At ito yung kanyang history guys, simula noong gold 10 yen, simula noon 1870 hanggang 1910. 10 yen coins were first issued in 1871 from a newly establishment at Osaka. The origin of mintage is not clear, as there are conflicting reports stating that 10 yen coins were either minted in San Francisco or in Japan the prior year. In either case, the unit of yen was officially adopted by the Meiji government. In an act signed on June 27, 1871, under the new law, each 10 yen coin was to weight of 257.2 grains and contain 90% gold with a foreign exchange rate close to a United States eagle $10 coin. Gold of bullion for a coinage was delivered from private Japanese citizens, foreigners, and Japanese government. No 10 yen coins were minted between 1871 and 1876. During this time, the Japanese government tried unsuccessfully to implement a gold standard, with the amount of gold in circulation described as a very trifling. Gold bullion rose to a slight premium in 1874, which caused gold coin production as a whole to rapidly fall off. It was reported in the Quarterly Journal of Economics that by the 1876, more gold coins were exported to foreign countries than for use domestically. Japan was later forced off of the gold standard in 1877 due to the cost of the Satsuma Rebellion. 20 years would pass before the Japanese government went back on the gold standard. During this lapse, non-circulating 10-year gold coins were made in 2 non-consecutive years for 2 different reasons. The first occasions occurred in 1880 when 10 yen gold-proof coins were struck to exclusive use in representation sets that were given away as gift to the foreigners diplomats. The second and final instance involved the world's Columbian Exposition in 1892, where several newly minted coins were put on display. When Japan went back on the gold standard in 1897, new 10 yen coins were set by law to weight 8.3 grams and have a diameter of 21.2 mm. These new lighter and smaller coins were given to a new design, which features as sunbursts superimposed on the sacred mirror on the obverse. And the value of within a rate on the reverse, the adoption of the gold standard allowed Japanese 10 yen gold certificates to be redeemed for gold. This convertible paper currency was used in immense numbers, while Kuen yin was seldom used or seen. Ito sa likuran guys. Ito yung kanyang likuran. Gold 10 yen coins of the second design 1897 to 1910 mostly remained government bonds by the time minted ceased for good in 1910. The coins that had been minted during those 13 years continued to back up gold certificates until World War I due to the inflation. The remaining gold coins in circulation were eventually withdrawn due to the wartime condition in late 1930s. Those that remained in circulation were either hoarded or melted down by the public. The modern 10 yen 1950s, the first 10 yen coins made after World War II, were authorized by the law of March 2, 1950 by the Prime Minister Shigeru Yoshida. These coins were to be made of German silver and act as a temporary subsidiary coins. A total of 432,970,000 10 yen coins minted in the new alloy were recorded as struck by the end of the year. By the second of 1951, by the end of the 1951, almost 800 million of these coins had been minted and were waiting to be distributed. None of the German silver coins minted between 1950 and 1951 ever circulated, as the coins were eventually melted. The decision to melt the coins came as the Korean War had driven nickels prices to about 4.1 million yen per ton. Those that escaped being melted and are now considered by the collectors to be scarce. Japanese pattern coins. Bronze 10 yen coins were first minted in 1951 but were not released for general circulation until January 4, 1953. The 10 yen coins minted between 1950 and 1958 had reeded edge and are nicknamed Giza 10, Giza Ju 10, meaning jug. 10 yen coins in the Japanese. The design, which is used today, features Phoenix Hall of Byodo-in on the obverse and V laurel leaves on the reverse. The design remains essentially the same other than the reeds being dropped in 1959, which gave the coins of a smooth edge. Slight modifications were also made in the latter half of 1986 regarding the design of Byodo-in. These coins are not culturally recommended to be offered at the shrine, as another word for 10 is in. Combining these characters into the 2 in can also read as for par destiny. 10 yen coins continued to be produced after the present under the Reiwa era. In 1951, during the Japanese occupation by the Allies, the 10 yen coin was reintroduced to the first coins bore the reeded edge until 1977. Any coins afterward bears a plain edge. For the first time, the 10 yen coin was composed to have bronze, 95% copper, 3 to 4% zinc, 1 to 2% tin. They have a mass of 4.5 grams and a diameter of 23.5 mm and a thickness of 1.5 mm shown on the obverse in the antique Phoenix Hall of Byodo-in Temple with the state title Nippon Koku above and the value inscribed as the Japan words below. Displayed on the reverse is a value and the year of minting in Showa or Heisei.